So I'm just waiting for all this stuff to dry here, and then we're gonna get a bobcat in and we're gonna start excavating this. I got some recycled concrete and asphalt, so I'm gonna start to lay a pad here to park all my all my old junk. So here's where we are on project Get Rid of Mud and prepare for an eventual new TwinStick Garage. So we did a bunch of top dressing here with this recycled asphalt, which should pack up nicely and keep us from getting any mud. And then we dug this out down a couple inches and we got grade, and then I put this as recycled concrete and asphalt, larger pieces, because I wanted to have a good base here. So we'll drive on that and try and pack it down, and then we'll top dress with the fines to finish that. As we were shaving clay to get grade here, because it would always pool under my camper and make mud, we used that clay to build up the road. And then we've been doing a lot of excavation, and we pushed the tree line back. And so this will be where the shop's going to be. So this would be the front corner. So right now I've got the poles. So that's 40 wide and then 60 long. And what I was thinking is there'd be a giant front door right here. And so while I'm working on my project trucks, I could watch the sunset, and the sun will shine in here in the afternoon. So yeah, unfortunately though, we didn't find any clay until about 3 feet down. So that's why we had to get rid of that soil and give it a push. And so now I need to bring in a whole bunch of loads of clay, probably 10, 20 loads of clay, to bring this elevation back up so we can get grade. So the water all goes that way, and then we're gonna run a drainage ditch there, and then the water can go off into the trees. So it's quite a project. The next step will, unfortunately I didn't get any video of the bobcat doing this excavation work, but I'll try and get some of it, of the dumping of the clay, and then filling this in. So this is what it looks like now. Maybe in a few years, and I don't know, maybe another $50,000-$60,000 in savings, we can finally build a shop. But it's going to be a ways off, but at least it'll be a nice parking pad for all my equipment. And here comes another load of clay. Oh, auto tarps. Boy, how I wish I had that when I was younger. Whoop. Grind them till you find them. At least it's a tri-drive. He's hauling in decent loads. Stupid road bands are on right now, so you can only bring in 3/4 of a load, but the tri-drive's helping. See, we got some piles up there already. It's a nice truck. He had a quad wagon that I told him he could get in here, but he didn't want to try. But then we could have done some real nice loads. I still think he could have got the quad around that corner, straightened out, and then backed her in, but that's all good. They've only got 10-minute turns, so pretty quick loads. God, how I miss hauling gravel. It's been over 20 years since I've done it. Used to love banging the old tailgate when I delivered to residential areas. See, you can see the water's already seeping through. Hopefully this clay squishes it all out. Yeah, that's a pretty good load. It's a nice big box. All right, let's hear the tailgate bang. Attaboy. Awesome. Now we gotta get this stuff spread. Well, it's a start. So we put some of the fines in on the larger rock here. So I'll just keep driving on it and squish it down. That's starting to pack up nicely. We got a little more rock here, so when it rains, I won't get stuck in the mud anymore. And for now, we're gonna leave this as clay. The 10 loads I had in here got gobbled up pretty quick, so I still don't quite have the elevation that I want for the shop. I do in the back corner, but all of this has to come up probably another 2 feet. So maybe another dozen loads or so, but we'll park the trucks on it, start packing it down, giving it a good squish, and just keep picking away at this, just like all my projects, little by little. Well, my fleet finally has a parking spot. Looking pretty sharp. And I got room for 2 more. Wonder what the missus would think of that.